For our blockchain project, we are going to need our digital wallets, and for that, we are going to be using Metamask. So I'm going to be showing you how to set up Metamask. So it's very simple. All you just need to do is just open your browser, then come to metamask.io. So once you go to metamask.io, it's going to bring you to this particular website. So once you are here, then click on Get Metamask. So it's open your browser extension store. So just click on Get, add extension. So our extension is now installed. So I'm going to leave the link to the Metamask.io in the description, another link that we're going to be using in this tutorial. So Metamask is now installed. So the next thing now is for you to set up your wallet. So is that you create a new wallet, or you import an existing wallet. But for this demonstration, we are going to be creating a new wallet. But if you have an existing wallet, just you need to get your seed phrase, then you will use it to import your wallet. But for this, let's just create a new wallet. Then you can decide to use a secret recovery phrase. So you can set up your password to something you can possibly remember. Then you need to let them know that if you lose your password, MetaMask cannot reset it. So you create your password. So take note of the fact that your secret recovery phrase, anybody that have access to it have access to your entire wallet. So ensure that you don't show it to anybody. But for this demonstration, I am going to be showing you, because after this demonstration, I'm going to delete this particular wallet. But please make sure that for your own, don't reveal it to anybody, and make sure that nobody is watching your screen. So you can possibly take a screenshot of it. It will definitely be different from what you are going to be having. Like what I have here will be different from yours. So make sure that you take a screenshot, keep it somewhere safe, and make sure that it's not accessible to anyone. So for me, because they are going to be asking it from me, so I'm going to just take a screenshot just to be. So then continue. So it's to be sure that you have your secret recovery phrase. Then it's asking me the second one, this the fifth one, this 6th one. So we'll continue. So for me, I don't want data to drag. So done. Now we have been able to install and set up our digital wallet that we're going to be using for our transaction on the blockchain network. But it's advisable that you pin it. So just check your extension, then you will see MetaMask. You can just pin it so that you don't need to be opening your extension before you are able to access it. So now that we have been able to set up our MetaMask for the session, we are going to be using the Ronin blockchain network, the testnet version. So we need to add that to our MetaMask. So in case you are not here, in case it does not bring you here, so all you just need to do, let's assume I am still here. So if I'm still here, then all you just need to do, get access to where you can set up your Ronin wallet, is just come to, since you have pinned it, then come to your MetaMask. Then you can just have an extended view. So just expand view so that it's easier for you to navigate. So now that we're here, just come to all popular networks, then come to custom, then click on add custom network. It's going to ask you for the network name. So I will share the details with you. Check the description box, you see there. So the network name, just copy the name and put it there, right here, Ronin Saigon Testnet. Then it's going to ask you for the RPC URL, just copy it here also, and add RPC URL, very simple and easy. Then the chain ID, just come and check again, check the description, you see there, since 21. It will also ask you for the currency symbol. So the currency symbol is RON, and also the block explorer. So let's just copy that too. Add block explorer. So now that we have that, I just click on save. So you see that Ronin Saigon testnet was successfully added. So now that we have been able to add our network, it's now time for us to get some tokens that we are going to be using for. You can see that currently you don't have any token like in terms of Ronin Saigon. So we are going to be getting the tokens. So for you to get the tokens, you need to navigate to this particular website. You can also check the description. You see it, faucets.roninchain.com. So faucets.roninchain.com. So you see it there. So just need to open it to get your faucet and or get your test tokens. So you can see it asking me for my Ronin address. For me to get my Ronin address, I just need to click on my Metamask icon. So once I click on my Metamask icon, I click on these 10 network addresses. Then you see Ronin Saigon testnet. Just copy. Either you copy or you click on this QR code in case you want to sign. You also see copy address there. So whichever one works for you. So you just paste it, select the one run, and send request. So we have some little capture here. So just confirm it. It's order. Now that we have requested for that, you can just come and check. So you can see that we have one here already. So you can request as many testnet token as possible, because we are going to be needing it for the class. I think the limit is 5, so make sure that you get as many as possible before you come for the class. So its limit is 3, which will definitely be enough for our practical session.